Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I made over $750 by swing trading stocks. We're going to be showing you guys an entry, exit, full risk management behind this play. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, smash that like button, subscribe. But if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. It's awesome. It's called the Swing Trading Masterclass. We have private live streams, quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get rich quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. This is honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years of trading. So click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys in there. And let's have a quick word from our sponsor, which is the broker that I've been using over the past 7 years. I know a lot of you are just getting started with investing, and one app that I've been using is called Mumu. It's super beginner friendly, but still gives you pro level tools like live market data, easy to read charts, and news all in one place. And the best part, new users can get up to 60 free stocks when you open up an account with qualifying deposit. And honestly, that's actually why I tried it. And I've been using it ever since. Check out the link down below if you guys are curious. So if you guys are just getting started, check out our school and sign up with Mumu and get up to 60 free stocks. And you guys will be off to a great start to make money from trading. All right, enough with that. Let's dive into this. Let's go. All right. So in order to be successful with trading, there's a variety of different rules that you need to understand. The first rule is understanding that what works well for you might not work well, for others. So for me, this is by far the best strategy that I've used for years. And this is what we call a breakout approach. It's very, very simple. Right now, we're on the daily time frame. So in simple terms, each candle represents 1 day of trading, right? So you guys can see the high, the low, the open, and the close. Now, in order to be successful of trading, one of the things that you have to understand and have to realize is you need a checklist. So this is a set list of criteria before you ever place a trade. It has to follow that approach before you ever, buy it. Now, this trade that we took today, yes, there was a lot of luck because today it did pop up over 10% in value, which honestly, I will say, this is only the second time when I got in for a swing trade, something like this happens. It doesn't happen every day. It's rare, but it just does happen, right? So let's talk about why we got in. So the first reason is trends. You guys can see this thing has a beautiful upward trend where it's gone from lows at $12 and it's hit highs here at about $61. So it really has that good amount of buying pressure, good upward trend. Also, the next thing here on our checklist is going to be support. So you guys can see where it hits this red line and we just get a lot of buying pressure on it. So it hits it, buying pressure, buying pressure, buying pressure, hits it again, hits it again, hits it again, hits it again, hits it again. So then recently it sold off down from 61 all the way down to about $47 right on that trend line. And at that time here, it was trading for about a 32 on the RSI, which the last time it was trading for that was back in this range where we saw a great move of buying pressure. Right, you guys can see it was trading on that 32, and we had that huge move. So I knew that we could get some indication of buying pressure, but the next thing I look for is going to be going to a lower time frame. So you could either go to the 4-hourly or you could even go to like the 1-hourly. I like going to the 1-hourly just because it just gives you a little more to look at. And you guys can see that it was really just kind of selling off like crazy, right? Formed that general downward trend. So what we did, for those of you that followed the live here, we put an alert right above this trend line. So it would hit it, sell off, hit it, sell off, hit it, sell off. So we had that alert set near and around the 49.75 area, and the stock popped up here, and that was our entry price. Now, the thought process, honestly, behind this play was very, very simple. Entering there, keeping our stop loss below the 46 range for a possible push back up to these highs here at about 60 bucks. Gives about a 3-to-1 risk and reward. So meaning I'm risking about $1 essentially to make about $3.23. So this is a really good risk and reward there. Now here, Another indicator we look at is an indicator by the name of the MACD. The MACD is an entry point indicator, and you guys can see that we had a couple of great signals where we have that orange line break up through that blue line, which historically is a good entry point for a position, and the stock has popped up. Now, one of the main reasons why we covered profit here is because we saw this huge squeeze of buying pressure in such a short amount of time, right? It popped up. And the second that it started consolidating was where we got out of this position. I'm well aware that we could see a move even higher, in the next couple of days or weeks up to $61, $62. But for me, I locked in guaranteed profit. I was up well over 10%. And more importantly, I understand the data. With trading, if you make 3%, so 3% per week, you are in 3% per month, you're in the top 5% of all traders in the entire world. So a position that we are up 10% on, yeah, I'm going to take profit and I'm not even going to think about it or worry about it because I understand the game. I understand the long-term game of trading. So that's what's important here, though, guys. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe. Don't forget, if you guys want to sign up with Mumu, which is the broker I've been using for years, they offer all that charting, scanning to find those positions. So check them out down below. And if you guys want to learn more about trading, check out our school. I'll see you guys in there. Make sure you guys like, follow, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day and take care.